nice rounded bottom there, as you say. It is up against resistance, but it is making higher lows. So will it break through this time? So I think the question might have been, will
I'll have a look.
the issue with Binance, the uncertainties around Binance, actually end up being bullish for Coinbase?
Would be interested to know your thoughts on Coinbase shares given the Binance news. Is this good for Coinbase or another blow for the crypto exchanges in general? The Coinbase chart holding up pretty well considering.
Yeah.
So regardless of what's happened, this is a stock. This is a stock that does react massively well to TA. In my eyes, if you're in this trade, brilliant, take some profit. If you're not, I would look for it to break through, retest, and then enter.
Yeah.
That's all I can say about that. I think it's got to break through this resistance, and once it does, buy there, stop below, and
here's your entry.
Yeah,
that's what we're thinking, and this is this would be the flip of support resistance. So resistance, resistance, resistance. Is it going to flip to support? And generally, it will come down and test to see if this is if support, and if it doesn't, it'll go through and it's still resistance.
And it's a stock, so it's gonna it you know,
more likely.
Far higher if it retesting, because that's what it does in stocks.
557 days, which is a good long time as well, because you know, time is another good indicator. You know, the length of time an asset has been doing something in a price action, or you know, accumulation or distribution, and where accumulation is actually important. It's important to take notice. You know, if something is come out of a bull cycle, it's had a markdown, you know, it takes time. It isn't going to take 2 months for another bull cycle to take off. You know, it takes time. So that is a year and a half of accumulation, which is also just really a really good sign. So to me, actually, I would expect it to break this at some point soon, you know, especially because there is a lot of bullish momentum in the crypto space. And personally, I actually didn't move some of my stuff on Binance to Coinbase. I think Coinbase does seem to have a better reputation, you know, because it is a publicly listed company as well. I know it's used in the States as well. So, you know, it might go back up to see these heights again. When it listed, it was like $430.
Yeah.
That was at the height of the bull cycle, the last bull market.
Problem is that they've done little sneakies as well in past of Coinbase. There was an inside story for Bitcoin Cash. Sure, it was Bitcoin Cash, and you know, all of the Coinbase staff owned it, and they just absolutely pumped the backside out of it, and so they've been naughty in past.
Okay.
But it's, you know, it's better to, if it's listed and it's sorry, not listed, if it's you know, it is following the regulatory path a little bit better than the rest, then it's, you know, it's best of a bad bunch, isn't it?
Yeah. So see how but basically, you know, it's up against resistance. We've got to see what happens here. Does it turn around and go back down again, try again, or does it break through? But yeah, it's in a good position.
It's ready, and it's ready to break through. 500 days, blimey.
I think it's ready, because like climbing the stars, you know, it's so coin is looking good. I don't own any. I do not own any coin.